So, we really need to talk about what I call the Python problem in AI development.
Mm.
I mean, if you're a web developer, you're seeing this huge AI wave and probably thinking, do I really have to switch my entire stack to Python just to build a decent agent?
It's a massive point of friction. I mean, you've got this huge ecosystem of JavaScript and TypeScript developers,
Millions of them.
and they're sort of being sidelined because the native tooling just hasn't really been there for them.
Which is why I was so glad to see Mastra pop up on the AI agent store. We're always on there looking for new tools, but this one feels different.
Right.
And to be clear, this is not some no-code drag-and-drop thing. This is a heavy-duty open-source TypeScript framework for people who actually write code.
That distinction is so vital. It's for the builders, the software engineers, DevOps, ML folks who want to work where they live.
In their native environment.
Exactly. Mastra isn't the agent itself. It's the infrastructure you use to build the agent.
And it really seems to be solving that glue code problem. Because right now, if I want to build an agent, I'm stitching together a vector database, an LLM provider, all these different APIs.
Oh, it becomes a mess of spaghetti code so fast.
So fast.
Exactly. And Mastra just bundles those core primitives. You get your workflow orchestration, your memory management, your RAG pipelines. It's all right out of the box.
You're not reinventing the wheel every single time.
Please, no more reinventing the wheel.
The workflow engine really stood out to me, though. It's not just a simple chatbot loop. It looks like you could define these deterministic multi-step paths.
Right.
Like step A, scrape this site. Step B, summarize it. Step C, if the sentiment is negative, go alert the engineering team.
That is precise control. That's the difference between, a demo and an actual product.
Yeah.
And speaking of connections, we have to talk about the MCP integration.
The Model Context Protocol.
Right. Which is, it's becoming the standard. It's that open protocol Anthropic championed. And Mastra having native MCP support is a big deal. It means your agent isn't an island. It can plug into any local tool or remote server that speaks MCP.
Without you writing custom wrappers for every single API.
You got it. It just standardizes how the AI sees the outside world.
I also really appreciated the focus on being local first.
Oh, yes. This is a huge gripe for developers. Usually, you build some cool agent in a notebook or a cloud playground, right?
Sure.
But how do you version control that? How do you even test it properly?
That whole works on my machine versus production gap.
Yep. Mastra lives inside your code base. You can run it locally, push it, and deploy it like any other standard application. It treats AI agents as just another software artifact.
That's a magical black box.
Well, although they do offer a way to peek inside that black box with the Studio component.
Ah, the observability layer.
Which is, it's non-negotiable for AI. When an LLM gives you a weird answer, you can't just step through debug it like a normal function. You need to see the trace.
And the Mastra Studio visualizes all that. You can see the prompt going in, the RE chunks it retrieved, the final output. It gives you the why behind the what.
And that's what takes you from this is a cool experiment to I can actually put this in front of my customers. You can actually evaluate performance instead of just, guessing.
It really feels like the tooling is finally maturing. We're moving past the hacky script phase into real engineering.
And doing it in TypeScript just opens the floodgates for so many developers.
It definitely lowers that barrier to entry. So if you want to check out the docs or grab the code for yourself, just head over to aiagentstore.ai.
Go build something cool with it.
And a huge thank you to everyone who has been rating the show. It really, really helps us out.